Hi guys, a very good morning. So let us talk about important matters this morning. Let us expose sellouts. Sellouts have been there since time immemorial, since Morgan Tsvangirai days. These people have been selling out. They continue to sell out. President Nelson Chamisa knew about them. President Nelson Chamisa knew about their existence. He tried all he could to make sure that we win Zimbabwe for change. But these sellouts, these detractors, they are working 24/7 to make sure that they destroy what the people of Zimbabwe are always building. Remember, the people of Zimbabwe always vote for the opposition, only for these people to sell out. So let me show you that this was not the first time of Biti selling out. Let us take a look onto this.
Hatibati nemweya wekubanduka. Hatife takamuka zuva rimwe chete tichiti kwakubuda mazuva maviri. Zuva rakabuda i1. Morgan Tsvangirai akafanana naMozisi. Chero mukati maoko ake aremerwa nesimba. Hamunobvisi Mozisi moda kucheta maoko enyu. Munosumudza maoko aMozisi nokuti ane zoso. Kutungamirira nyika hakusi kwendumure kana kwere ibasa rinotobva kupuhwa nevanhu. Munhu asumudzwa naMwari sekusumudzwa kwakaitwa vaTsvangirai. Haungosvikovo ndagara vakazviita ana Biti vakatinogona kukwana-kwanawo. Ndakamuudza kuti zviri nani kuva gonzo riri muchimba muzere chikafu pano kuva nzou iri mugwenga. Tururu iri mumba mune chikafu yakakura kudarika nzou iri mugwenga. Ndoshoko ratinoudza Mangoma, ndoshoko ratinoudza Mukoma Tendai Biti, ndoshoko ratinoudza vanofunga kuti mapati tungonyuka. Nyaya haisi yokunzunzi mutungamiriri, nokuti utungamiriri hunotobva kuna Mwari nekuvanhu. Regera akanzi atungamirire atungamirire. Kusvika vanhu vati taakudawo umwe, asarudzwa iye ngadi atungamirire. Ndosaka muchiona isusu vamwe hatife takaita dambudziko. Chero uri nyenyedzi ukanga uchipenya sei, haugoni kukura kudarika mwedzi.
So if you take a look onto what President Nelson Chamisa was saying during this particular moment, you would understand that these sellouts have been there, these sellouts are existing, and these are people who have been destroying Zimbabwe. But he says something very important. He speaks about Morgan Tsvangirai being our Moses. Then definitely it becomes our Joshua. And he talks about being a rat being or a mouse being better than an elephant in the wilderness without anything. That is very important. So you see that that moment Biti was running his party, started with NDC Renewal, Nana Mangoma, then they crossed over to KBT, Ratadza Kugorana Kuba, and Nube was also struggling with his MDC Green, and they all came back to Morgan Tsvangirai and said, okay, Ndara, let us work together. But they will create narratives. Morgan Tsvangirai that was a lie. They came to Morgan Tsvangirai because they wanted to unite. They felt that without him, they were not going to win anything. They failed during the by-election. And you can actually see that that is the same modus operandi. And right now they are banking on Job Sikala's popularity. They believe that Job Sikala will be popular enough to carry them over, to make them cross over into what they call Canaan. But is that going to happen? No. We know that several people who rise against Nelson Chamisa, the same way several people rose against the Israelite leaders during the particular days of crossing over into Canaan. But this time around, things have changed. This time around, all these things were known. And we are going to watch and see how this is going to end. But in my own view, I believe that Team Triple C led by Biti, job seeker Lausi is going to stay this money because they can't even deal with promising finance with there. What about Nelson Chamisa? So that's the reason why Nelson Chamisa said, okay, I'm leaving this small boys politics to focus on other things which are very important. It is what it is in Zimbabwe. Let us open the comment section. What do you think?